The United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples reflects a decade of work by Indigenous leaders around the globe. Its importance as a guiding framework should not be underestimated. Working with First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples to implement the Declaration and create a framework to achieve its objectives is a statement that the Government of Canada values, respects, and promotes the human rights of all, and not just some. The legislation is a significant step forward on the shared path to reconciliation for Indigenous and non-Indigenous peoples alike. It has the potential to be transformational.
Way too much time and money has been spent by governments and industry to lose in court. Indigenous peoples now have a full box of rights. Sadly, despite robust constitutional and legal protections, Indigenous rights continue to be misunderstood. The progress has been too slow, and the impacts of denying rights has had serious consequences. Systemic racism and overt discrimination have resulted in unacceptable gaps in health, social, and economic outcomes. This bill is about breathing life into Section 35 of our Constitution. It formally entrenches the rights of Indigenous peoples in Canadian law. We have a responsibility as a country to ensure that Indigenous rights are affirmed, but that they are fully understood and respected.